Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Play Store. Now there are two methods which you can use to update your Google Play Store. So the first method is just simply go to your any of the browser like Chrome, Firefox, and go to the search panel and search Google Play Services. Then scroll down and over there you will find Google Play Services. Just simply click on Google Play Services. And when you will do that, if you have an update, it will be shown over here as an update. So just simply click on update and it will be updated. Now the next method that you can use to update your Google Play Store is just simply go to your Google Play Store. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then go to settings. Then just simply click on the drop down box for about. Now over there you will find Play Store version. And if you have an update, you can just simply click on update Play Store and your Play Store will be updated. But mine is already updated, so it says it's up to date. So that's how you can update your Google Play Store. So thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.